If you're only gonna give it 80%, let us know. You're good. You gotta go, you gotta stay close to that rock.
This rock?
Hard right. You gotta go right. You gotta pivot your Jeep. That's
You gotta go passenger. No.
hard passenger. Hard passenger. You're good right there.
You're off the edge here.
Be ready to hit it. Woo. Clanging and banging.
Good job, Mike Myers. Alright, get up there.
All right.
You're good. Just a rock. Keep going straight.
You got it.
This is the spot.
Nah, he'll walk right through if he does it right. Let me get him back up a little bit, Amber. Driver, a little bit, passenger. Whoa, hard passenger. Hard passenger. You're all right.
Driver.
Now driver. You're good.
Hard driver.
That's all right, come forward. You're about to hit a rock on that side. The higher he goes on the rock, the more it's going to tip him.
I know, but he is going to catch that rock there.
You can't go no higher over here because you'll tip even more. You can try.
I don't care if you changed it, but I don't want my fender to hit.
You can try to go high this side. It's going to be tough. There you go. Now you got to go that way though. You're right on that rock. You're almost there. Now you're coming up. Well, the higher you go on the rock, the harder it's going to be because you're going to be at. Yeah.
Back up a little bit. My tire was way in the air. What the fuck?
Oh, your tire's like 4 feet off the ground.
No passenger. Now back up.
I might not try it, Mike,
What's holding me up? Why ain't I got it back
You're on
up?
a stump.
because you're so low here.
Well, pull me back. Like stand on that corner or something.
Let me look at it. Hold on. That Jeep will never be the same, dude.
Yeah, hey, $5 grand.
How the hell did they come through there? I gotta get my ass end over is what it is.
You could try it, but you gotta hug that tree. That's how they do it.